Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make expenses Excel step by step. Start by creating a clean workbook with labeled columns for date, category, description, amount, and payment method. Enter a few sample rows to test sorting and formulas, and format the amount column as currency. Save the file as a template so you can duplicate it each month and keep records consistent and easy to analyze. Begin entering expenses every day to keep accuracy high and avoid backlog. Use specific categories such as groceries, utilities, rent, transportation, and subscriptions so filters and pivot tables work reliably. Add concise notes for irregular purchases to remember context and plan next month. Keep amounts as numbers without extra characters so formulas operate smoothly, and periodically review entries to correct typos and keep totals trustworthy. Set up formulas like SUM for totals and SUMIFs to calculate category or date range totals automatically. Create a running balance column that adds incomes and subtracts expenses to monitor cash flow. Use conditional formatting to highlight large expenses or overspending categories. Finally, build a pivot table or summary sheet that aggregates monthly and category totals to visualize trends and support budgeting decisions in a simple, at-a-glance dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.